Hello kids, most welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Kids, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Etiquette of this week is touch feet of your parents and wish them daily. Kids, you should touch your parents' feet daily and also wish them. I hope you all will follow this etiquette in your daily life. Now let's move to GK questions. Our first question is, which is our national bird? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Which is our national bird? Very good. Peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Repeat after me. Our national bird is peacock. Next question. Which is our national fruit? Children, tell me, which is our national fruit? Right. Our national fruit is mango. Speak with me. Our national fruit is mango. Now let's move to sight word. Children, look at the screen and look at this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? And. Which sight word is written here? And. Speak with me. And. And. Repeat after me. And. Okay, now let's move to our next topic.
In our last class, we had learned CBC words of O sound. Today, we will revise CBC words of U sound. Children, look at the screen. Now look at this picture. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Cup. Tell me, what is the beginning sound of this word? K. And middle, what is the middle sound of this word? A. Now look at last sound. Tell me, what is the last sound of this word? P. So the first sound of this word is K, and the middle sound of this word is A, and the last sound of this word is P. K, A, P. K. Now look at this picture. Try to read this word yourself. First sound of this word is B, and middle sound of this word is A, and the last sound of this word is G. B, A, G. Bug. Now see this picture. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Hut. Now read this word. First sound of this word is H, and middle A. Now look at last sound. Tell me, what is the last sound of this word? T. So the first sound of this word is H, and the middle sound of this word is A, and the last sound of this word is T. A, T. Hut. I hope everyone has read these words with me. Now let's move to our main topic.
In our previous classes, we all have learned sound of letters A, I or AY. So I hope you all have remembered sound of these letters. Today we will revise once again. Look at these letters. Tell me, what sound does AI make? A. Now look at these letters. Tell me, what sound does AY make? A. Children, tell me, letters AI or AY make the same sound or different? Same sound. Both makes the same sound. AI says A and AY says A. Now, look at these pictures. Here you can see two pictures. This is a picture of rain and this is a picture of clay. Children, tell me, in which word you get the sound of A at the end? Clay. Children, in clay word, we get A sound at the end. Children, see this picture. This is a picture of rain. In rain word, we get A sound in the middle. Tell me, if we get sound of A in the middle of the word, then which letters we will make in the middle? A, I. Children,
If we get a sound in the middle of the word, then we write AI in the word.
Now let's read few words in which words we get the sound of A in the middle or last. Look at this picture. Read this word. P A L, pale. Now see this picture. Try to read this word yourself. L A, lay. Now look at this picture. Read this word. S A L, sail. Now see next picture. Read this word. P A, pay. Look at this picture. Read this word. H A L, hail. Now look at this picture and read this word. W A, way. I hope you all have understood sound of letters AI or AY. Children, now let's do some practice. What you will do in this work? Tick the correct word. Children, I have given two words in front of each picture. Out of these two words, you have to tick the correct word. Children, first picture is jail. In the word of this picture, we are getting sound of A in the middle. So, first word is correct. So, we will put the correct sign in front of this word. Children, in this way, you will complete this work yourself. Now, let's give you homework. What do you have to do in homework? You have to read the given words and write them in your notebook. This is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye, children.